Hey guys, and welcome to this week's edition of Project TJ. I thought for a change we'd do a Tech Tuesday. Stay tuned. So today we're going to look at getting a live circuit the best way we can. Let's say you've bought a new CB or UHF radio and you need to power it. Our options are we go into the back of the radio or the cigarette lighter or the like and pick up some power there. The better way is to get it from the fuse block, and the easiest way. So today we're going to look at these wire tap adapters. I don't know if you've seen these before. They're these, and they come in all the different fuse sizes, so mini, micro, standard, whatever, and you can use them in a spare fuse holder if you can get power in it, or you can jumper off an existing fuse. Now, in your fuse box, you've probably got fuses that are powered all the time, they run on accessories, or they run on ignition. Try and stay away from the ignition ones because they're generally the important ones. Things to tap out of if you want an accessories, which means it works when your key is on accessory. Look at your radio, cigarette lighter, or you may find that there's some spare fuses that aren't used and they're actually live, and they could be live all the time, or they could be live with your accessories on. So these things just plug in like a normal fuse, and they've got two holders for fuses at the top. The lower one is if you're jumpering off an existing circuit. So you take the fuse out, you put this in, and you put the fuse for that item back in there. Now the top one is where you put the fuse for whatever you're powering. Never put a higher ampage fuse above what the lower one is. And the way you want the power to run is that on one side of the fuse box, or one side of the fuse holder, it'll be live, and you want to power off that, and you want the power to go up and along so it blows the fuse if anything happens. They're really simple to use. So if you pull the glove box lid out, that is your fuse panel. And on the side of the glove box lid on my vehicle is the schematics for what the fuses do. I've put the multimeter on them already, and I've got a live all the time on spare fuse 10, spare fuse 20 amp, cigarette lighter, and subwoofer system, which I don't have. The radio seems to be on accessories only. So if you're looking for a switchable live wire that comes on with accessories, you could piggyback off the radio. I probably wouldn't piggyback off your airbags or anything like that, or anything with relays or solenoids. I'd just stay away from them. So if we check these, the keys are out of the ignition at the moment. That's the subwoofer. We've got 12 volts, and these are the spare fuses down here. We've got power all the time. If we check, we've got nothing. So the feed is coming off this side of the fuse. So if we're going to put this fitting in and jumper off this spare fuse, we want the feed, the live feed, to come up this side. So it'll blow the fuse if anything happens. This is the radio. We've got nothing. So we've turned the accessories on. Do we have power to this now? Yes, we do. And that fuse needs to be pushed in more, but I haven't. So you can see that's a really easy way to get power, to power up anything that you need in your vehicle, without getting nasty and pulling dashes apart and the like. So these things here are available on eBay everywhere. They're absolutely cheap as chip. I got mine from my local electronics store, Jaycar, which is an Australian store. But yeah, how can you go wrong? So I hope that helped you guys out. Thank you for watching Tech Tuesday, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.